Hello all, welcome to Make Study official YouTube channel. In this video we are going to see about the practice question which is related to the GATE 2022 examination. I have planned to prepare a few of the questions on a daily basis so that you will get the idea about what type of question you will ask in that particular examination. And also it's not too lengthy video, it's only around 4 to 5 minutes for each and every day. You will get 2 videos based on the app question which is coming on the GATE 22 examination, because you need to at least practice these types of questions before going to attempt that particular examinations. So the first question is related to the SOM, strength of material, and this is the basic question. If you have idea about the formula, then definitely you will solve this type of question as well. And these are scoring questions because this is a direct formula based question. Few of the question is coming with the tricky some involvement of other subjects as well. In that situation you will not to waste so much time to solve that type of question and skip these types of questions. So make sure that you have a balance of both these questions. So let's begin with the first question. The state of stress at a point in a body under the plane stress condition is given as sigma x is equal to 5 MPa and sigma y equal to minus 1 MPa and tau xy is equal to 4 MPa. And if one of the principal stress at that point is equal to 7 MPa, then what was the other non-zero principal stress in that particular point? So you need to find second principal stress at that particular point. Basically they will provide the data related to the questions. If you have idea about that, then you will get the idea how you need to approach that particular questions. Initially they have mentioned that the stress in x direction, stress in y direction, and they have also provided tau xy is equal to 4 MPa, and they have also mentioned that the main point was principal stress is given at that particular point was 7 MPa. This is the hint to approach that particular questions. And you need to find the other non-zero principal stress. I think you will get the idea what you need to find. You need to find sigma 2, which is the second principal stress at that particular point. So try this video and solve at your own. If you are not able to solve, then definitely I'll provide the solution. So as per the question which is provided, you will get the idea about the sigma x which is given in a questions. Again sigma y is also given in a question, and tau xy. And you also aware of that sigma 1 comma 2, that is principal stress, is also given with the sigma x plus sigma y divided by 2 plus and minus sigma x minus sigma y divided by 2 plus tau xy square under root of that particular. These are the standard equation, or you can also approach with the graphical method, but it takes some time to solve that type of questions. So in my suggestion, you definitely go with the formula method, because GATE is mostly focused on a formula and numerical data type of questions. So they have already provided the sigma 1 value which is 7, but you need to calculate the second one. And if you have a time or have any confusion, basically you need to apply these basic formula which is given over here. And if you put all these value like sigma x, sigma y and tau xy, like sigma 1 equal to 5 MPa and sigma 2 equal to minus 1 MPa and tau xy is equal to 4 MPa, if you put in this equation you will get the final answer, that is plus minus indicate like there are two principal states, sigma 1 which is maximum considering as a plus sign, and sigma 2 that is minus 1 which is considering as a sign of minus in the second principal stress calculation. If you solve both the condition, then you definitely get the 7 MPa for the sigma 1, and sigma 2 we will get around minus 3 MPa. That is the final answer. Even though they have already provided the data like 7 MPa was the first principal stress which is given in the question itself, still if you do not have idea how to calculate, then you calculate both of these and one of the options is already available in that type of questions. So that's all for this video. Thanks for